spirostomum. Spirostomum. Spirostomum is a free-living, ciliated protist genus of the class Heterotrichia. It is found in both salt and fresh water. The genus Spirostomum was established by Ehrenberg in 1833 and placed in the family Spirostomidae by von Stein in 1867. Recent analyses of ribosomal RNA gene sequences have confirmed that Spirostomum is a monophyletic group. Here is a list of 12 species of Spirostomum. They all share certain features in common, but are sufficiently different such that they are classified as separate species. There are many fine drawings and photomicrographs of Spirostomum to be found in the literature and on the internet. This particular illustration is taken from Kudo's textbook and shows 9 separate species. This slide illustrates some 13 examples of photomicrographs of Spirostomum to be found on the internet. There are many others as well. Although Spirostomum is unicellular, it is quite large, ranging from approximately 0.3 of a millimeter to 4 millimeters in length. It is therefore macroscopic in size. The appearance of Spirostomum is that of a long and worm-like organism. In general, in cross-section, it is cylindrical in outline, but the organism may show flattening at the distal or tail end. The photomicrograph on the right shows general ciliation in a faint pattern. The picture to the left shows the membranelles of the peristome. The cilia of the cell body are short and arranged in longitudinal rows. The longitudinal rows of cilia are clearly visible in this moving spirostomal organism. Note that the movements and the twisting of the organism are related to subpellicular myonemes. The length of the peristome varies among species, from about 1/4 to as much as 2/3 the length of the cell. The peristome is fringed with membranelles, which are used to direct and channel particles of food into the organism's oral cavity. The excretory vacuole is large and may fill the entire distal end or tail of the organism's body. The macronucleus may be moniliform, like a string of beads, or compact and oval, depending on the species. In the frames below, note the bead-like structures of the macronucleus. The small, dark, black objects closely applied to the surface of the macronuclear lobes may be micronuclei. The movement of spirostomum is snake-like, smooth, quick, and highly flexible. Note the comparison of the size of spirostomum with that of paramecium. Members of the genus Spirostomum are extremely contractile. When startled, Spirostomum ambiguum can contract to less than half its extended length within 1/200th of a second, a contraction speed similar to that of the ciliate vorticella. This contractility is related to well-developed subpellicular myonemes. One widely distributed but rarely seen species, Spirostomum semivirescens, carries symbiotic zoochlorella and houses itself within a mucilaginous lorica of its own making. The mucilaginous secretions of Spirostomum semivirescens can be seen in the insert picture on the viewer's left and in the lower frame of the pictures on the right. The symbiotic zoochlorella of Spirostomum semivirescens can be seen on the viewer's right in the upper frame. This photomicrograph is an example of Spirostomum semivirescens taken at higher magnification. Note the coiled appearance. Several species of Spirostomum have proven to be quite sensitive to the presence of heavy metals and some other toxins, and have been used by ecologists as indicators of water purity. This descriptive slide and the 2 other slides to follow may prove useful for reference purposes.